And of course, we'll use Windows machines as our targets of our attacks. And you know the reason, right? Windows are the most common operating systems. One of the Windows targets will be Windows XP Service Pack 1. Now, it's not designed to be vulnerable, but, well, it is naturally a vulnerable system. It's not an up-to-date system. A lot of patches are missing, and as you probably know too, Microsoft does not support this operating system anymore. Another target system that I'll use is Windows 8. It's an up-to-date and modern operating system. Now, just so you know, I have to point out that Microsoft Windows operating systems are commercial. They are not free. You have to have their license to use. Now, if you have any Windows ISO, you can install it as a virtual machine. Just follow the steps that I showed you in the lecture of the installation of Kali the Light from the ISO file.